Hey all, it's been some time. I recently made these donuts which turned out to be soft, crispy, fluffy and dangerously delicious. Look at this dough, soft, airy and full of life. This is when you know the magic has started. And here's my little trick. I'm using a cling film for that clean, perfect donut cut. No sticking, no rough edges, just bakery style rings. And I'm not using any fancy cutter, just what I have at home. I let these proof for 30 to 40 minutes, and this final proof is where the patience pays off. They go directly into the oil, and watching them puff up and turn golden is honestly my favorite part. I have a silky white chocolate glaze prepared, so I did these in the silky white chocolate, and I also add some sprinkles on top. I also have rich dark chocolate. Trust me, these are so delicious, and this is definitely not the last time I'm making these. They're so crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and this was my first time trying this recipe. So if you love this recipe, do message me, and please do like and share this video if you loved it. Enjoy!